Okay, Michael, let me grab what is it? This is the, okay, let me test this one right here. So, okay, it's 23. This is for CA, maybe California, something. Okay, so let me add this one, the Miami, Florida. So if I add this with here, you can see this is the zero right here. Okay, yeah, and it's for SE Second Avenue, Miami, Florida. Okay, so let me go into Stripe in text registrations. Very simple, and add registrations, location, search for Florida. Yeah, okay, just already registered. Hit continue and add. Okay, this text I'll apply Florida business and okay, and continue. Start immediately. Don't worry about this one. So let's start collecting. I will add the Florida here. The Florida is added here. Okay, let's go here and copy the Miami address. Yeah, right here. We have this one. So let's paste it here and hit calculate. It will calculate this address. Okay, I added four different Florida, California, and let me see. In United States, what we going? Let's say Arizona. Okay. Uh, Give me from Arizona. So we need to mostly add all the text cities. Okay. Go and sorry, where should I go? Yeah, right here, 300. If I can see, it's zero right now. In Arizona. So if I add here, I register, start immediately. It's 5.6. It's telling me the 5.6 and local sales tax. Okay, sorry. So Arizona is added. I'm just clicking this button again. So now we have the 27.30 sorry, on 300 sales tax. Okay, yeah. This is all for, and you can just go into the text right here and just come to the registration and add the registration of any. So it's the start date. We can edit the end date. There is no maybe end date. Set stop collecting taxes. So you can add also the stop collecting taxes. Yeah, it will automatically set the percentage of the tax. So this is maybe a something like guide video or demonstration for you. So, and also if I go here and this is California, and now we have the 26 right here. So this amount will be paid. Okay, thank you so much.